Welcome to Compare to Win. The best ice auger is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious ice angler, allowing you to efficiently drill holes through thick ice to access prime fishing spots. This tool is not just about making holes, it's about maximizing your time on the ice and ensuring you're ready to fish the moment you arrive at your chosen location. A good ice auger can make the difference between a frustrating day of manual labor and a successful outing filled with catches, so choosing the right one is paramount for an enjoyable and productive ice fishing experience. Number 5. K-Brands Auger Drill Bit Planting Set. Introducing the K-Brands Auger Drill Bit Set, your ultimate solution for effortless planting and digging. This set includes 2 versatile auger bits designed to make your gardening tasks a breeze. Simply attach these auger bits to your standard 3/8-inch hex bit drill. Hold firmly, and let the tool do the work as it effortlessly digs downward, creating perfect holes every time. This spiral drill bit is your go-to for planting bulbs, shredding weeds, and even mixing fertilizer. It's perfect for digging holes for fence posts, lights, and umbrellas, making yard work a joy. Cut your work time in half and say goodbye to sore hands. These auger drill bits significantly reduce the effort needed for planting flower beds or setting up fences, letting you finish faster. Made from high-quality, heavy-duty steel, these 9-inch long bits are built to last. They handle various soil types with ease, from loose soil to hard ground, sand, clay, and even ice. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you don't absolutely love this product, we offer a full refund. Our customer support team is also ready to assist you with any questions. What we like. This set includes 2 auger drill bits for versatile use. They are made from high-quality, heavy-duty steel for durability. If you are looking for a tool to significantly cut down your yard work time for planting, fencing, or other digging needs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These are very well made and sturdy. This auger made the job easier. I was able to break up this impossible soil and remove the excess dirt with a shovel. High-quality construction, and they work as good as one would expect from an auger bit mounted to a hand drill. Number 4. Nordic Legend Hardware Lite E-Drill Combo. Introducing the Nordic Legend Hardware Lite E-Drill Combo, your ultimate companion for ice fishing. This powerful yet lightweight tool is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Experience superior performance with its 39-inch shaft, featuring lightweight synthetic nylon flighting and an aluminum stem. It's built to remain flexible and impact-resistant, even in the coldest temperatures. The premium 6-inch diameter nylon flighted auger ensures a lighter weight for effortless transport. Its high-grade steel blades with a center point allow for faster and easier cutting through the ice. This combo includes a universal drill adapter with a 14-inch extension and a sure grip handle. You'll also receive a deluxe metal ice scoop and an ice fishing rod rack with a chipper. Never be caught unprepared. This package comes complete with 1 set of replacement blades, ensuring you can keep fishing without interruption. What we like. It features a lightweight and durable synthetic nylon flighting with an aluminum stem. This combo also comes with a deluxe metal ice scoop and a set of replacement blades. If you prioritize a lighter auger for easier transport and want an all-in-one ice fishing solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It's lightweight and packed away easily. I didn't need to push down on it hard. Just a little pressure and away it goes. He said it was lightweight and very sharp. We used it for trout opener and it cut 15+ inches of ice quickly and effectively. Using it with a 1-2 Milwaukee M18 hammer drill, in drill-only mode, and this thing eats through the ice in seconds. Number 3. RAZR Scout Ice Auger Kit. Introducing the RAZR Scout Ice Auger Kit, your ultimate companion for ice fishing. This kit is designed for efficiency and ease of use, making your next trip more enjoyable. Experience superior cutting power with its 6 curved blades and a precisely engineered center point. This design ensures a clean and fast hole every time, reducing your effort. Adapt to any situation with the included cordless drill adapter and extension. This versatile feature allows you to power through the ice with your existing drill, saving you time and energy. For those moments when you prefer manual control, a comfortable hand auger handle is provided. It offers a secure grip for steady drilling, giving you options for any ice condition. Safety is paramount, which is why it features an easy-view safety flange. This component provides stability and visibility, ensuring a secure and controlled drilling experience. Assembly and maintenance are a breeze with the included Allen key and collar bolts. All the necessary hardware is right here, so you can get to fishing faster. What we like. This kit boasts 6-inch curved blades with a center point for efficient cutting. It also includes a cordless drill adapter with an extension and an easy-view safety flange. If you are a drill owner looking for a reliable and safe ice auger attachment with essential accessories, this kit is a great option. What people say. I'm currently cutting through 28 inches of ice. With no problems. Nice auger, very sharp. I use my 18V Ryobi drill with it. My hammer drill cuts through the ice like a warm knife, though butter. Number 2. Strike Master Mora 2-piece hand auger. Introducing the Strike Master Mora 2-piece hand auger. This ice auger is designed for ease of use, making your ice fishing trips more enjoyable. Equipped with high-performance steel blades, it cuts through ice with exceptional efficiency. Experience a smooth and quick drilling process every time. The adjustable handle ensures a comfortable grip for users of all sizes. You can customize it to your preferred height for optimal leverage. Weighing in at a light 8 inches in package height, it's easy to transport. Its compact design ensures it won't take up too much space in your gear. With a package length of 34 inches and width of 10 inches, this auger is built for the demands of ice fishing. Get ready for your next adventure with this reliable tool. What we like. This hand auger features a 2-piece design for easier transport and storage. It is equipped with high-performance steel blades and an adjustable handle for user comfort. If you prefer a traditional hand auger that is lightweight and offers adjustability for a comfortable grip, this model is an excellent choice. What people say. The auger cuts through ice quickly and efficiently. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tough conditions. The sharp blades ensure a clean cut every time. Number 1. Nordic Legend E-Drill Nylon Ice Auger Combo. Introducing the Nordic Legend E-Drill Nylon Ice Auger Combo. This package includes the adapter and nylon flighting auger bit, designed for your convenience. It's engineered to fit almost all 18V, 20V electric drills from major brands. This ensures you can use it with the tools you already own. Experience a significant reduction in weight thanks to its synthetic nylon flighting and aluminum stem. It's about 1/3 the weight of a normal steel auger. Enjoy a stable and smoother cutting experience. The razor-sharp steel blades, along with the center point blade, promote efficiency. This combo comes with a universal adapter and a 14-inch extension. It also includes 3 adjustable height settings, a safety cover, and a strap for secure use. What we like. This combo features lightweight yet durable synthetic nylon flighting and a universal adapter with a 14-inch extension. It offers 3 adjustable height settings for a customized experience. If you have an 18V, 20V drill from major brands and want a lightweight, adaptable ice auger with convenient height adjustments, this is the perfect fit. What people say. This thing goes through the ice like butter. Easy to use with your electric drill. Get the bigger battery for your drill. It cost a little more but well worth it. I'm still on the same battery and I have drilled numerous holes. Cuts fast and efficient, easy on drill battery life. The new models have a grease circ in the handle bushing, fixing the biggest problem people seem to have had in the past. It's also great for opening old holes because of the center spike that keeps it centered when you start. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.